1,000 Miles Up the Nile, Section 70. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. 1,000 Miles Up the Nile by Amelia B. Edwards. Appendix 1. A. McCallum, Esquire, to the Editor of the Times. This letter appeared in the Times of March 18, 1874. Sir, it may interest your readers to learn that at the south side of the great temple of Abu Simbel I found the entrance to a painted chamber rock cut, and measuring 21 feet 2 1/2 inches by 14 feet 8 inches, and 12 feet high to the spring of the arch, elaborately sculptured and painted in the best style of the best period of Egyptian art, bearing the portraits of Rameses the Great and his cartouches, and in a state of the highest preservation. This chamber is preceded by the ruins of a vaulted atrium, in sun-dried brickwork, and adjoins the remains of what would appear to be a massive wall or pylon, which contains a staircase terminating in an arched doorway leading to the vaulted atrium before mentioned. The doorway of the painted chamber, the staircase, and the arch were all buried in sand and debris. The chamber appears to have been covered and lost sight of since a very early period, being wholly free from mutilation and from the scribbling of travelers, ancient and modern. The staircase was not opened until the 18th, and the bones of a woman and child, with 2 small cinerary urns, were there discovered by a gentleman of our party, buried in the sand. This was doubtless a subsequent interment. Whether this painted chamber is the inner sanctuary of a small temple, or part of a tomb, or only a speos, like the well-known grottos at Ibrim, is a question for future excavators to determine. I have the honor to be, Sir, yours, etc., etc., Andrew McCallum, Carrasco, Nubia, February 16, 1874. End of Section 70.